Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to use Kwik Trip gift card at gas pump. Your Kwik Trip gift cards can be used to pay for gas at the pump, but only regular, non-discounted gas purchases qualify for the gift rewards. If you want to purchase additional items beyond the gas covered by the gift card, you can swipe your credit or debit card first, and this will pre-authorize your additional purchase amount on your debit or credit card. Now, after you are done swiping your debit or credit card, insert your Kwik Trip gift card into the designation slot at the pump. Choose the type of gas you want to pump, from regular or premium, and then once the pump starts fueling, fill your gas tank to your desired amount. The pump will now automatically deduct the cost of gas from your gift card balance. Be sure that your gift card has enough balance to cover the cost of your gas purchase. Follow any on-screen prompts at the pump if additional information is required. So that is how you will be able to use your Kwik Trip gift card at a fuel pump. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.